Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
MLA ka Congress na Mahati constituency uba Charles Marngar. Ula kentui ka sorkar jela hapo ka jingelam ukonat ki sangma kumu menteri rangba. Bade ban shim dakarai hayung dorbar ban Pyrshah ya uniform civil code. Hashwa ba ka sorkar India kan menjur ya ni ka an ha parliament. Uba Charles Marngar ulawan ra da ka resolution ni ka mat ya tai ban shimrai da ka yung dorbar ban Pyrshah ya uniform civil code. Namarkan kata ya ka jela Meghalaya kabade ka jela red pine. Kaga juga por lai thu baki jilla kum ka Mizoram, Kerela, bat Nagaland kilarai ban Pyrshah ya ka UCC. Ya ka ni ka mat ya tai ban shimrai da ka yung dorbar. Lai shimantalang ki MLA ki bagan thup yu ba Charles Pingrop, Miani di Shira, Saleng Sangma, Heaving Stone Karparan, ba Adalbert Nongrom bat ki wede.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I beg to move that this House do now resolve to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code in the state.
Motion moved. Now you may initiate the discussion.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, for allowing me to move this very important resolution. Mr. Speaker, sir, why I bring this resolution before this August House? The reason is that I had a vision. If this Uniform Civil Code is implemented or being operated fully as an act, then it will have major impact on the interests of the minorities and the state as a whole. Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very happy that during the summer session, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council and the Gentle Hills Autonomous District Council passes resolution to oppose Uniform Civil Code in order to safeguard, to protect the interests of the indigenous people as provided under the 6th schedule of Indian Constitution. Mr. Speaker, sir, if Uniform Civil Code is implemented, then it will affect the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. If UCC, Uniform Civil Code, is implemented, it also will affect the lawmaking power of the District Council as per Para 3A, mentioned that the District Council has power to make law on land. Number 2, power to make law on inheritance property. And number 3, marriage and divorce. And number 4, the social custom. Mr. Speaker, sir, if Uniform Civil Code came into, it will affect all the lawmaking of the District Council and might be diluted, and hence the power of the District Council will be greatly affected. Mr. Speaker, sir, it will definitely have an impact on the traditional custom and usage of the indigenous people of the state of Meghalaya. The indigenous people, be it Khasis, Jantias, and Garos, has their own custom and traditional on marriage, has their own traditional inheritance property, marriage and divorce, succession, adoption, guardianship, etc., that are still strictly followed till date. The custom and tradition is one of the unique identity of any particular tribe in the state of Meghalaya. But sir, all this custom and tradition will be diluted and slowly it will disappear as a result of the Uniform Civil Code came into. Mr. Chairman, sir, moreover, what is more sensitive to the sentiment of the people if Uniform Civil Code might affect the religious ceremonies followed by different religions. For example, the Christian communities from various denominations followed the Christian Marriage Act, whereby under this act, the pastors, priests, elders are fully empowered by the district council to be the marriage license holder. Mr. Chairman, sir, if Uniform Civil Code came into effect, the power will be taken away and the magistrate or the officers of the state will be the only license or license holders or register holder. Mr. Chairman, sir, the sacramental aspect of marriage in the Christian community also will be diluted. Mr. Chairman, sir, I am afraid that family breakdown will increase day by day, and it will have huge impact in the society. Mr. Chairman, sir, the National Law Commission, after taking the public consultation, the report was submitted in the year 2018, and it has clearly stated that the Uniform Civil Code is not needed. Mr. Chairman, sir, I personally, as a legislator, and one of the leaders of the state, I feel that we should be more aware of the impact of the Uniform Civil Code, where private members' bill were being brought in the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Henceforth, I call upon the interests of all of us to reject the Uniform Civil Code as it is not needed in a beloved state. I'm very happy to see that our Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister, in the last few months, he has stated that Uniform Civil Code goes against India's identity. I hope that our Honorable Chief Minister keep his word on this matter. Mr. Chairman, sir, some of my friends asking me, why you move this resolution? Since they have not yet tabled in Parliament and not yet passed the bill. Mr. Chairman, sir, prevention is better than cure. I'm happy to see that in Mizoram, in Kerela, and also in the state of Nagaland, they have already passed a resolution against the implementation of Uniform Civil Code. The question is, why not in our state, Meghalaya? Mr. Chairman, sir, once again, I request to all of us, as the members of this August House, as the responsibility leaders of the state, I request to all of us, let us unite. Let us stand together and let us pass a resolution to oppose the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code in our state. And also, let our state government urge the union government for exemption of implementation of Uniform Civil Code in our beloved state. Mr. Chairman, sir, I hope and I believe if the government of Meghalaya pass a resolution to oppose the implementation of UCC, Uniform Civil Code, it will be a blessing for our state. It will protect the interests of the minorities and indigenous people in our state. Mr. Chairman, sir, I will not take much time. With these few words, I once again request to all the members, let us unite and let us stand together and let us pass a resolution to oppose the Uniform Civil Code, implementation of Uniform Civil Code. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you.